I just thought I would show you my current makeup storage. This is not all of my makeup, there's still a lot at home, but I definitely need to get another one of these drawers because there's a lot, like it overflows into this basket. Here are all my brushes, and there are my eyeshadow palettes, the Jaclyn Hill and just a regular Sephora one. These are my current everyday blushes and highlighters. So this blush is from Milani, it's called Coral Cove. This highlighter is made by CoverGirl, I love it. And then this is the powder Bare Minerals that I use at the moment. And over here are all the lipsticks and everything. Let me just fix those. And then the IT Cosmetics CC Cream is my current favorite moisturizer. If you could tell, I also have a little mini one. And, oh, up here are all my highlighters. I have hearts. And then I have the Wander Catch the Light because I love it. And Benefit What's Up. Over here we have the 3 setting sprays. Urban Decay All Nighter. Make It Dewy by Milani, and then Mario Badescu's Cucumber one. This I use every day under my eyes. It helps get away like the dark circles. This has my primers and concealers. You can tell I love the Maybelline one. And then over here are all my foundations. Fenty, Rimmel. I haven't tried this one out yet actually. And then these two I love, and that's good for the summer. And way in the back there is the Maybelline Dewy. Down here are all my powders. I have Bare Minerals, Bare Pro, Stay Matte, Milani, L'Oreal, Airspun. Over here we've got my blushes and bronzers. I don't really use bronzers all that much, so I only have 2. But I have a lot of blushes because I love blushes. So I have some from Tarte. One from Laura Geller. What's underneath that? Oh, the NARS Orgasm one, I think. And then Rocketeur blush. And I have the Hoola Mini Bronzer. And then I have the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. And then over here we have the headbands. This is a Sailor Moon one. I think it's Artemis. And then there's a fluffy pink one with a bow, which I love. Okay, so over here you'll find the eye products. I have one other palette, it's just this mini Wet n Wild one. And then this is literally all like lipsticks and lip glosses in this whole basket. And then I have the California blush and the Milk blush in, what is this even called? Swish, which I should probably give to my mom because I think it's actually hers. And then, well, this isn't makeup, but this is like a body butter. It's from Sol de Janeiro. I have eyeliner from Supercat, Soap & Glory, and then I have the one by The Balm, which I love a lot. I got it for Christmas from someone, and I'm pretty much in love with it. What's it actually called? Schwing by The Balm. It's really good. And then, oh, mascara. I have the Lancome Monsieur Big, and then I have the Balm mascara. Where are you? Mad Lash. And then I have a mini Too Faced one. And then the only foundation product sort of thing I have in here is the Garnier BB cream. And just the rest is lipsticks. And I definitely need to find better storage. So hopefully soon I'll be able to get in the drawer and make more storage out of that.